Alright man, let's go ride.
Let's go.
I reckon it looks sick, like the orange seat with the grey graphics. They've done a really good job of how it looks. The whole bike's just set up ready to go. All the little power parts that you would think, oh yeah, maybe I should have that, maybe I should have that, and you don't know, they just selected it all for you on the bike, ready to go.
Yeah, bolted straight on.
Yeah, yeah.
Most important tool that I'm probably going to use are the straps.
The struggling straps?
Yeah, I can't believe how big it is.
Yeah, she's a big old hill.
I know you're a lot faster than me, but I'm going to race you to the top, and I think I know some shortcuts that are going to even this up a bit.
I'm ready for a challenge, mate.
Right up.
I'll take the long way, nice and smooth.
Yeah, bro.
That was sick.
I can't believe how fast you were in that bottom part. I thought there's no way I was going to catch you.
300, man.
I thought if I don't make traction up this last climb, you'll beat me by like half an hour.
Nah, not a chance. I was zigzagging.
Nice work, bro.
Just flat out.